My name is Robyn and this is my closet. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning or just subscribed, thank you. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. I am so excited today because I got my favorite box, my favorite accessory box, Luxury Divas. And what makes this great today is I am doing my giveaways for the month of August, and I am doing a Stitch Fix card, and I am going to give away a Luxury Diva box. I am doing a joint collab with Luxury Divas as a promotion, so one of you lucky subscribers will win your own personalized box. This is an accessory box, and it comes with belts, scarves, it has makeup, it has all sorts of fun stuff. And so I want to give you guys the opportunity to try it and love it just as much as I do. So I'm going to leave a link below. This is, I want to say it's $35, and if you use the link below you'll save $5, so it only costs you $30. And then they have different programs you can order. You can pay for it monthly, you can pay for it quarterly, every 6 months or a year. The longer you keep it, the cheaper it is. So what Luxury Diva is going to do is when I draw the winner will be able to go and customize their own box, because you do it by color. Do you like belts? Do you like scarves? What color skin do you have for your makeup? So it's just a great opportunity. So let's get into it. It comes in a outer wrapping, which I took off, so the box is a little dented here, but none of the products are dented. It comes very nicely wrapped, and there usually is a card from whoever put together your box. So let's see what we got. This is the August box, so it will have what's in there, so I don't want to peek. And again, it puts everything that's in there with the prices. And what's nice is, if you like something and you want to get it maybe a different color, you can go to their website and order additional pieces. Here's my card. Hello, Robyn. Hugs and kisses. Well, September is going to be here before you know it, and that means back to school. Personally, being a mom can have some hectic mornings, so this box is inspirational due to the fact I can put on and go. Hope it does the same for you. Love. Can't tell if it's Marina, but here's the card. So they send you a nice handwritten card. Now, I don't have to worry about back to school. I have 2 adult children, no grandchildren, but they live back in Chicago. I am going back there at the end of the month to visit with them, but otherwise, no hectic mornings for me. And then comes with the nice tissue paper, and I'm really trying not to knock down the camera. And okay, so the first thing is Smart Food white cheddar. They usually put they put licorice in here one time. I think they put a sucker in here one time. So now we have popcorn, and the man's probably gonna eat it. And the next thing, totally loving this, it's a hat. This must be the get up and go when you have morning mom hair, grandma hair, whatever type of hair you have. What a cute hat. I can definitely wear this on the motorcycle. Loving this hat. I'm so excited. The next thing is an LD accessory box. And I think there's jewelry in here. Oh, oh, there is. Oh, blowing away. Sorry about that. There's these earrings. I cannot wear them. My ears are pierced, but I can only wear super lightweights. These aren't super heavy, but they might be too heavy for me. So I'm going to have to give these to somebody else. But they are beautiful and they will go with everything. The next thing is Beauty Treats Peach Oxygen Bubble Masks. And there's no words to describe how much I love masks. So this one has enough for 2 treatments, so that's nice. I'm gonna be right back. I don't want my hat to blow away. Okay. And these are a pair of sunglasses. I think I've gotten this will be the second pair that I got, but what's nice about getting all these sunglasses in subscription boxes, I can leave a pair in every single car. So when I get in, I don't have to worry about it. And I leave a pair in the camper, the RV when we go. So I am set. Okay, so I got these great sunglasses. I am kind of digging these. Oh wait, I got to put on my, what is it, incognito. Okay, how does that look? So you will not know who I am. Okay, so far I got the hat, I got the sunglasses, the earrings, and the mask. Totally worth the price of the box. And there's still more stuff in here. And I got this. I don't know what it is, so we'll see. I hope you guys are having a great summer. And I know it's back to school for a lot of you. But the one nice thing is the weather's still warm and it's gonna be warm for a while longer. And what do I have in here? I'm so excited. Is it a shirt? Oh, I think it's a t-shirt. It's like a baseball t-shirt. Be kind and kick butt. Can you see that? And it's got the sleeves. How cute is this? Is this what they call like a soccer mom? I'm not sure, my kids didn't do soccer, but I am loving this. And this is, I don't know, should be a large, because again, they ask you for your sizes, but what a great shirt. I might even wear this out tonight. So we got the shirt, and I think there's still one more thing in the box. Let me undress here. I don't want to be rude. Sorry about that. And there is one more thing in the box, and I think I know what it is. How cute. It's a pair of leggings, and these are in a size large. Of course, they look a little tiny, but they have a lot of stretch. And they have the bottom. And you know what? I'm gonna go try on the whole outfit. So I will be right back. Okay, I am back with this adorable outfit. So I have on the baseball cap and the sunglasses and this cute little t-shirt and the leggings. Let's see if I can lower so that you can see this outfit. I don't know if you can see it. Everything fits. Let's see if I can. you see it? We got some music on here so I can... These are the leggings. And they are so comfortable. I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back. I had so much fun with this box. I give it a 10 cactus. So let's just review everything that came in the box. First, this hat, which I just love. How versatile is this? And this retails for $20. Get up. Sorry, shoe and bees. And the next thing is the shirt that says be kind and kick butt. And this retails for $20. Now it comes in this blue that I received, and it also comes in a burgundy. So if you want to go ahead and order the burgundy, like if I did, you can just go ahead and order the burgundy. But this shirt is just so freaking comfortable. Then I'm wearing the black full-length leggings. It comes in gray, black, and charcoal gray. They're $18. I'm going to order them in different colors. Then the oversized sunglasses with soft case, and these retail for $20. And I'm so digging these sunglasses. And it's just this color. And then we have the sterling silver plated hoop earrings. They're just available in silver, and they're $20. And then the cute little peach oxygen bubble facial mask retails for $5. So the total retail of this box is $104. And the theme for the August box is kick back and chill. I just can't tell you how much I just love this box. And this was my 5th out of 6 months. I ordered the 6 months, so now I have to go back and order the other 6 months. They don't charge you for the 6 months all at once. They just charge you every month when you get it. And it's exclusively for me. It's got my name on it. So again, one of you lucky subscribers, I am going to leave the link for my giveaway video with the rules and how to enter. Is going to have the opportunity to customize your own box. It probably won't be the August box because I'm not drawing the names until August, so it might be the September box. But I know you're going to love it. And again, there's a link if you decide you want to give it a try. And thank you, thank you, thank you. Thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.